Lisa from the Commonwealth Museum, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make your very own redcoat. For this craft, you'll need 2 large pieces of red paper, 3 regular-sized pieces of construction paper, yarn, a pair of scissors, and a glue stick. First step is to take 2 sheets of the yellow construction paper and cut them in half. Once you've cut your yellow construction paper, glue it down on 1 sheet of red paper in the front in 2 rows like this. Once you've glued down the front, you're going to want to take your next piece of paper and cut out 2 triangles to be the collar. I rounded the edges of the triangle to make it look more like a fabric collar, and then glue these down to the coat as well. Once all the pieces of your coat are glued down, you're going to want to draw the buttons onto the coat. Once you've completed the front, you're going to put it to the side for a second and get your yarn. Cut 2 pieces of yarn that are long enough to fit over your shoulder with enough space to tie a knot. After, use a hole punch or a pen to put 2 holes in the top of the front and on the back piece. Once you've completed that, you'll take your string and tie one end on 1 piece of paper and the other end of the string on the other piece of paper. And be sure to do that for both sides. And there you go. Now you're ready to go on trial for the Boston Massacre.